Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication, then update to the latest iOS or Mac OS. Once done, open Settings and go directly to the Intelligence or Siri and Search panel and toggle Apple Intelligence on. Make sure to grant app-level access for photos, mail, messages, and shortcuts so the system can use context. This step unlocks the assistant's data sources and is essential before you try any prompts or automation. You now move into actual use. Call Apple Intelligence inside Notes, Mail, Safari, Messages, and Photos by tapping the assistant icon or typing a prompt. Use concise prompts that state the task, desired output, and any constraints. For example, rewrite my email to be 150 words and more formal. Once asked, refine interactively. Ask it to shorten, expand, or cite the part it used. Make sure to set personalization and privacy preferences so results match your tone and acceptable data sources. You finish by carefully reviewing generated content. Accept, edit, or reject suggestions before sharing. Once satisfied, export results to Mail, Messages, Notes, or trigger a shortcut to automate the next step. Make sure to periodically review model access under Settings and clear history if needed. If things go wrong, first reset the assistant's context and rephrase your prompt with clearer constraints. If problems persist, temporarily toggle data permissions or update the OS to resolve integration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.